You never know when do children start liking what. No one can tell when they grow which habit. Gattu also had a habit. The habit of moving his right leg in sleep. You will laugh upon hearing this, but when Chinky got up in the middle of the night to drink water, she saw his feet moving in the dark and cried out loudly.
Mom! Dad!
Their parents came running to their room, turned on the lights, and they asked Chinky.
What's the matter, kiddo? What happened? Look, Dad!
When their parents looked at Gattu, they burst into laughter because Gattu was in deep sleep and was constantly kicking in the air by raising his right leg. He was looking quite funny.
Oh my god, what's this new thing with Gattu now?
Gattu, get up! Gattu! Gattu woke up with his parents' voice. He said,
Mom, Dad, what is the matter? You were swinging your feet like a helicopter in the air and you are asking us what happened? You know how scared I was? No, Chinky, maybe you have had a bad dream.
Hearing this, Dad laughed and said, What do you think, Gattu? Your mother and I were also dreaming after coming here.
Son, you were kicking really hard in the air.
Never mind, it happens. Let's all go to sleep. But this was happening every day. Every day Gattu used to move his feet in the air in deep sleep. And poor Chinky used to lose her sleep. Then Chinky came up with an idea. She tied that leg of Gattu.
Now all problems are solved.
But no. Gattu's tied leg also started dancing. And Chinky was confused.
Oh God!
This story did not stop inside the bedroom. It reached outside the bedroom to the society and then school. Actually, the thing was that Gattu now was kicking one leg in the air not only in his sleep, but also when he used to be awake. And because of that, the people around him were in danger. That day, Gattu's kick reached Bunty's eye. And when Mishra sir came to know about this, he too got upset. Gattu was walking, kicking in the air. When he used to find a tin can on the way, he used to stumble on it and bring it to his house. When lots of cans got piled up in the house, then mom and dad became serious.
Gattu, what is this habit? Before you used to do it inside your bedroom and now outside the bedroom too? Chinky was telling me that anyhow Bunty got saved that day. Whatever you get, you bring it to home. Then I have to sell it back to the garbage vendor. What is all this, Gattu? I don't even understand why I am doing this. Kicking has become my passion. It is not that I want to hurt or intimidate anyone, but I do not understand why I am leaving everything behind to just kick something.
Gattu did not understand, but dad understood. Dad told Gattu, Don't worry, son. I understand. And I have a good cure for this habit. You will like it very much.
What is that, Papa?
Walk with me in the evening. You will get to know yourself.